When reviewing your insurance contract, it can seem like a foreign language. Sometimes it's hard to understand. So today I will be reviewing a couple of terms that you will definitely see when reviewing your contract. First is going to be your deductible, and second will be your copay. Once you review these, you'll get a better idea of what your out-of-pocket cost will be. Hi, my name is Marika Sanchez, and I am the billing manager at EW Motion Therapy. Typically, throughout the day, we get multiple patient questions regarding their insurance terms with confusion and not exactly sure what they're supposed to be paying. So today, I would like to review A, what a deductible is, B, what a copay is, and a couple of examples of the two. Your deductible is an out-of-pocket cost that is set by your insurance company before they will start to pick up their portion. So when talking about deductibles, there's three different things that you should note. First is going to be your individual deductible. An example of this is, say we have Debbie, who is on her contract by herself. She has no other family members. There's only going to be an individual deductible that has to be met. Second is going to be a family deductible. This is typically going to be with contracts that have multiple people on it. So that is going to be your spouse, your children. With a family deductible, you will also have the option of that individual. So it goes by whichever one is met first. Once that's met, then that's whenever your copay or coinsurance would end up going into effect. Then the last one that I want to go over is not a specific deductible, but it's something very important to note. And that is going to be your out-of-pocket cost. This is a set amount, typically at a higher rate than any others, because once you meet that, insurance will pay at 100%. Again, this is going to be at a higher amount than your individual or family deductible. So there are those three different tiers that you can think about, with your individual being the bottom, then your family, then your out-of-pocket amount. So that out-of-pocket max amount, once that's met, you will not have to pay anything. Your copay is a flat rate that is set by your insurance company. So we'll say that Debbie also has a $25 copay on her contract. Any visits, doesn't matter if it is the first visit, the evaluation, subsequent visits, a discharge visit, doesn't matter what the doctor or therapist charges, that is going to be a flat rate of $25 or what is on the contract. Again, an important thing to note is it can be specific to what your payer set. So just make sure that you are paying attention and reaching out to your insurance provider if you have any questions. Now I'm going to go over an example of a deductible and a copay and how they correlate together to get your out-of-pocket costs. So we are going to use Kathy as an example, and she just had surgery. And that surgery, she had met $4,500 of her deductible. Well, her deductible is set at $5,000. So $4,500, you're gonna have a remaining $500 to meet. So once she comes in for physical therapy, she will continue her visits until she reaches that $500. Once she hits that, she will qualify for her $25 copay, the rest of her visits. Now you know the differences between a deductible and a copay and how they work together. It's also going to be very important to note that you should reach out to your insurance company or review your benefits before coming into either a physical therapy service or any type of service, just to get a better idea of those costs. For a more comprehensive overview for the cost of physical therapy, click the link in our description below to watch our video, The Cost of Physical Therapy with Insurance. This video details some of the key factors that will ultimately determine the cost of your treatment.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to help you on your physical therapy and wellness journey.